Hey everybody, it's Neil and I will be moving into a new place in a month, and so I need to start accumulating some kitchen supplies and stuff. So I saw this set here and it looked really good. So I'll show you guys what it is here. It's, so it's cooking utensils. So it was a little 3-pack. Didn't need everything in the world, but I like the silicone stuff. I've been using some of that lately, and so I really liked it. So it comes with this silicone spoon. It looks like it's probably got that must be probably like measuring stuff, probably teaspoon, tablespoon, or something like that in the little ridges inside of there. And then it comes with a little slotted spoon and a pasta spoon. And I think, you know what these things are like, these, I don't know if it really is or not. Oh yeah, serving size right there, 1 serving and 2 servings. So this would be, that's funny. If you look at it, they have it labeled incorrectly. I don't know if you can see there, but it says 1 serving for the big one and 2 servings for the small one. So that's really the other way around. Yeah. That's pretty funny. So they have it labeled incorrectly, but I mean, you can pretty much tell the difference. You pretty much know the big one is for 2 and the small one is for 1. So that's kind of cool. So that's what these little holes are for in this. And this is really nice and strong. So it's really, it's a little bit flexible up here, but the base and everything like that is really strong. It's like you can't bend it. It must be like reinforced with some metal or something inside of it. Same with these too. So it's a little bit flexible here at the edges, so you're not going to scrape your pan. But the back it's hard. It's very rigid. So, and it's got some weight to it. These are really good. I wanted some that have some meat to them, not just the cheap plastic stuff. So these are really nice. So I'm going to say these are very good, and they're made out of the strong silicone stuff, so you can put it on a hot pan and it's not going to melt. And they are really good, and they look really nice, and they have the little holes in the bottom so I can hang them up if I have little hooks, which I do have little hooks. So I'll be hanging these up above my stove when I get my new place next month. So very nice. Thumbs up for me on these. And this is the silicone cooking spoon cooking utensil set 3 black. Very nice.